afternoon, everybody. How's everybody doing today? This is Bradley here. Today is Friday, September 27th, 2024. Current time is now 3:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Temperatures is in the 70s under most of the conditions. Today we got an eastbound train. We got a receiver of there he goes, head to Lima. Head towards for Lima. I'm here at Holigan Center Road Railroad Crossing. Here on post 283.8. Here by the Wert Terminal, located about 3 miles east of Lima, Ohio. This has been an eastbound CFE grain mixed freight steel train. This is an eastbound. It's head to Lima. This came all the way from the Sun City, which is Fort Wayne, Indiana. Yes, sir. This has been an eastbound. Sleeper adds to coal on main track. From Indiana to Lima, Ohio. Radio bus 47 on 2099 CFE. Yep, this has been an eastbound. Proceed from Adams to Cole on main track. Proceed from Fort Wayne to Lima. Here on the CFE main track. Here on the east side of Wert. Well, everybody, from that train, more trains again soon. Because I know it's been a devastating night that happened in the southeast due to Hurricane Helene. For all the ones who are in the path of the trajectory path of Helene, make sure you all be careful, stay safe, and take cover, and seek higher ground. Also be careful with tornadoes also too, okay? And all those people out there, make sure you all stay safe, be careful. And also evacuate, and also take extreme caution. Out there too. Make sure you be careful and do the same thing too. If you're in the trajectory path of Helene, okay? Yeah, we got a little bit more rain here today because we got some showers in the forecast this week. And also we got some windy conditions too, due to the remnants of hurricane to the south, okay? We'll be able to be sure all stay safe and be careful out there. Be careful out there. We'll get more train videos again soon. Stay safe. Alright, stay tuned for more. Alright, thank you. And honestly, I just want to send my thoughts and prayers for all those people out there in the southeast due to the remnants of